USDA loans. What does it entail? What are they? Who can qualify for them? So first things first, what is a USDA loan? A USDA loan, or a rural development loan, is a mortgage loan that the United States Department of Agriculture backs. So this type of loan is designed to help low to moderate income families buy homes in rural areas. So you may think, wait, the USDA loan helps me buy a home? Yes, that's technically correct. The USDA loan is more than just food and agriculture. They actually help individuals achieve their dream of homeownership. So let's kind of dive into the requirements and what can and can't be done. First things first, the property you're looking at must be in a rural area. But you don't have to worry. The USDA has a handy dandy map on its website that you can use to check if the property is eligible. Next, you need to meet the income requirements. The USDA has income limits based on the area that you're looking to buy in and your household size. These income limits are higher than you may think, so it's worth checking to see if you qualify. And finally, you must have some pretty decent credit and stable income to qualify. So who makes a good candidate for a USDA loan? Well, if you're looking to buy a home in a rural area and meet the income and credit requirements as stated, then you may be a good fit. But let's dive in a little bit deeper. USDA loans are great for first-time home buyers who may not have much money saved up for a down payment. With a USDA loan, you can finance up to 100% of the home's value, meaning that you don't need to put money down. That's the really cool part. Additionally, USDA loans have lower interest rates than other types of loans, so that could save you money in the long run. Overall, a USDA loan may be the way to go if you're looking for a way to buy a home in a rural area without honestly breaking the bank account. So now let's talk about how these type of loans work. So essentially, a USDA loan and its program works like any other type of mortgage. If you apply for the loan, the lender checks your credit and income, and then you receive a loan if you are approved. However, with a USDA loan, the USDA guarantees the loan, meaning that they are backing it up in case that you default. So this guarantees offers and has lenders offer lower interest rates and more flexible credit requirements because of this. Kind of like FHA loan. So guys, USDA loans are a great option for those of you looking to buy a home in a rural area, especially if you're looking to get into a house with no down payment, low interest rates, and it's cost-effective way for you as a potential homeowner to achieve the goal of homeownership. And remember, you need to meet the income and credit requirements, and the property that you're looking for must be in that rural area. If you meet those requirements, then USDA loan may be the perfect solution for you. Plus, the USDA loan is guaranteeing that it's sort of like FHA with mortgage insurance. If anything goes wrong, the lender is secured and is backed, and there's nothing can happen to them, right? Or they're not liable. But like with any loan, there are some potential downsides. And for one, the USDA loan, they have some pretty strict property requirements. Now, the home that you're looking to buy must be in good condition and meet the specific safety standards. Additionally, USDA loans can take a little bit longer than other types of loans, so you must be patient during the application process. And finally, a USDA loan isn't an option if you're looking to buy a home in a more urban area, as it is a rural loan. Overall, USDA loans are a great option for those looking to buy a home in rural areas with no down payment, low interest rates, and more flexible credit requirements. I think it is the most cost effective way to buy a home. It's sort of like receiving down payment assistance without having to go through the whole down payment assistance route. So USDA loans are valuable for those looking to buy a home, again, as I said, in rural areas. And we personally don't have too many rural areas in Las Vegas specifically, but if you drive about an hour and a half to 2 hours out, we do have a lot of rural areas. I've only done a handful of them, and they're not extremely difficult, but they are a little bit more time consuming in regards to making sure that you're within the area that qualifies for a USDA loan and that you are able to qualify for the USDA loan. And it's kind of like an FHA loan again, because it's a government backed loan. So you have to make sure that you fit within that box, or else you really can't qualify. But the most important thing is to look up the specific property that you're thinking about buying. It's really cool because you just enter the zip code and it'll tell you, or you enter the property address and it'll tell you if it is able to go the USDA route. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in to this week's episode. I hope that you found it somewhat informative, and if we were able to provide some value, hit that like and subscribe button and share this with somebody who lives in a rural area and who might not know about a USDA loan and how cool it is, and the 100% financing that you can obtain with this specific loan. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. See you on the next one.